Elon Musk just revealed the terrifying truth about the Tesla bot. Hi there and welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today we are here to tell you Elon Musk just revealed the terrifying truth about the Tesla bot. So sit back and relax because we are just diving into the video. Tesla CEO Elon Musk on Thursday unveiled a humanoid robot called the Tesla bot that runs on the same AI used by Tesla's fleet of autonomous vehicles. A functioning version of the robot didn't make an appearance during Musk's reveal, though a slightly bizarre dance by a performer dressed like a Tesla bot did. The unexpected reveal came at the end of Tesla's AI Day presentation, with Musk providing few details about the slightly creepy, slender man-like robot beyond a few PowerPoint slides. The 5-foot 8-inch robot is expected to weigh in at 125 pounds and be built from lightweight materials, he said. Its head will be kitted out with the autopilot cameras used by Tesla's vehicles to sense the environment and will contain a screen to display information. Internally, it will be operating via Tesla's full self-driving computer. It's intended to be friendly, Musk joked, and navigate through a world built for humans. The robot's appearance came after a 90-minute presentation detailing some of the artificial intelligence upgrades driving Tesla's electric vehicles, including the Dojo supercomputer, which helps train cars to navigate city streets without human assistance. It makes sense to put that onto humanoid form, Musk said. 3 slides detailed the robot's proposed specifications, and Musk made sure he pointed out that you could both outrun the Tesla bot and overpower it. He has, in the past, railed against the use of robots as weapons and warned of the risks AI might pose, once calling it the biggest risk we face as a civilization. I guess if they're incredibly slow, easy to overpower robots, the dangers are reduced. We should be worried about AI, Musk reiterated during a question and answer session after the presentation. What we're trying to do here at Tesla is make useful AI that people love and is. One particular slide said the Tesla bot would eliminate dangerous, repetitive, boring tasks, and Musk provided an example, suggesting the robot could be told to go to the store and get the following groceries. Not that such a task is particularly dangerous, but you might find it repetitive and boring. Musk, prone to making bold statements about the future, riffed a little on how he envisions Tesla bot changing the future of work too. This, I think, will be quite profound, he said. Essentially, in the future, physical work will be a choice. If you want to do it, you can, but you won't need to do it. Tesla CEO Elon Musk ended a deeply technical AI Day event with a head-turning announcement: a humanoid robot. After a dancing human dressed as a robot moved off stage at Thursday's invitation-only event in Palo Alto, California, Musk introduced Tesla Bot. It will be based on Tesla's autopilot system and is essentially a humanoid form of the car. Musk considers the electric vehicles fully sentient robots on wheels. So might as well make it a human-like bot. Most importantly, Musk said it would be friendly, of course, and operate dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks as it navigates a world built for humans. Musk repeated that the humanoid would have a screen on its head and 8 cameras, like on Tesla cars, that can drive with assistance from autopilot. It's all the same tools we see in the car, he said. As to what the bot will actually do, Musk wants to start with tasks that humans don't want to do. He mentioned examples in a factory, like retrieving a bolt and attaching it to a car, or out in the real world, like going to a store and getting groceries. He envisions being able to talk to it, and Tesla bot will figure out what to do without explicit training, whether that's working with a tool or carrying a bag. Tesla Bot 1.0 will be focused on helping with general tasks, but Musk didn't rule out that eventually the robot could serve as something more. It can be your buddy too, he said. Buy one and it can be your friend. Musk didn't give a price range for the device, but said Tesla wants to make sure the bot isn't super expensive. A prototype is expected sometime next year, so be on the lookout. As Musk mused, I think this will be quite profound. The robot, codenamed Optimus, will have the same chips and sensors built into it which also power Tesla's cars. The same self-driving cars, we should add, that the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration said have crashed into vehicles at first responders' scenes at least 11 times since January 2018. A screen would be displayed on its head. And it would be designed so that humans could overpower it or successfully outrun it. It should be able to, please go to the store and get me the following groceries, Musk said. Basically, if you think about what we're doing right now with cars, Tesla is arguably the world's biggest robotics company because our cars are like semi-sentient robots on wheels, Musk said. With the full self-driving computer, which will keep evolving, and Dojo, and all the neural nets recognizing the world, understanding how to navigate through the world, it kind of makes sense to put that onto a humanoid form. The bot is intended to be friendly and navigate through a world built for humans, he added. He also said they're developing it so that humans can run away from it and overpower it easily. It'll weigh 125 pounds, and have a walking gait of 5 miles per hour, and its face will be a screen that displays important information. Interestingly, Musk is imagining this as replacing much of the human drudge work that currently occupies so many people's lives, not just labor. He waxed about a future in which physical work would be a choice, with all the attendant implications that might mean for the economy. Just remember, Tesla is not the only automaker, or even company, to produce a humanoid robot. Honda's Asimo robot has been around for decades, and it's incredibly advanced. Toyota and GM also have their own robots, so why are we so hyped about Teslas? Is it just because it's Tesla? Or is it because of this potentially really powerful vision-based supercomputer that will be powering it? Unfortunately, as we have seen with Robot Axis and other future sci-fi projects for Musk, we view this Tesla bot as an absolute head-scratcher that will further agitate investors at a time the street is showing growing concern around rising EV competition and safety issues for Tesla. While we appreciate Musk's longer-term technology vision, a Tesla bot is not what investors want to see. Skeptics believe the Tesla bot was a publicity stunt, added for its wow factor and to generate some applause. Many believe the bot won't ever come to fruition and, as The Verge writes, is a brilliant bit of tomfoolery. If Musk does actually pull it off and create a Tesla bot, then it could be game-changing. The bot could become the resident housekeeper and handyman you've always wanted, saving you time by doing the mundane chores for you. Tesla's biggest hurdle is convincing people to adopt the robot. Much like self-driving cars, there is a lot of apprehension about humanoid robots. Though the underlying architecture borrows heavily from Tesla's autonomous cars, the Tesla bot is nowhere near testing or production. The bot is still in the very early stages, with a prototype planned for 2022. Given the complexity of building a robot, we wouldn't expect to see it anytime soon. That's at the end of the video. Hope you like this video, plus thank you for spending some time with us, and please let us know in the comments section below about the video. A gentle reminder: subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one, and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new uploads. Hey people, you thought it was great to see this video. If you want to see which videos we have on our channel, then you can click above.